attention.
Oh, wait a minute. Okay, there we go.
Usually at these events, I can hang pretty well and like be awake and work and function, and this has not been one of them, and I wanted to give you guys an explanation. And the explanation is it's Suzanne's fault. Yeah. So when we first started planning this event, Terry came to me and said, would you want to paint a piece for Suzanne as your class? And I was like, well, I don't know. I have some other ideas. Can we change it? But it's stuck in my head. I have the opportunity to paint a piece for Suzanne. So I've been here since Thursday. I've been binging on a project. So I will always feel, I'm going to try to not cry because I'm a crier, but I will always feel a huge debt of gratitude to Suzanne and Terry and Natalia and all of our Giftsville family for the opportunity that you guys gave me. So the idea of you owning a piece that I did meant the world to me. So I had a little help. My partner in crime, Terry, over here, said that you had a piece. And it was a piece that was in your office.
For years.
Yeah, as we're in the hotel the other night, and she says, oh, it's like this high value antique that's priceless, and I don't know for sure she wanted to paint it. No, I'm kidding, I don't know. But this was something that Suzanne got at an auction. It's an amazing piece, and I've had the opportunity this weekend to give it a makeover. So if you love it, you're welcome. If you hate it, then Terry told me to do it. So this is an incredible piece of furniture. I feel lucky to have gotten my hands on it. I could have binged on this for another week at least.
That's why I could never pick because I didn't know what to do.
Yeah. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is all carved wood down here. But we've been holed up in Kristona's hotel room carrying the paint back and forth from our classrooms for the last 3 days, staying up till 5 a.m. to put paint and top coat and details on all of this piece.
Wow.
So,
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful.
so to Suzanne, I want to say thank you for making your successes all of our successes, and then giving us a place we can come every year to share them with each other. Thank you.
I love it. I don't like it. I love it.
So I did deface the top drawer a little bit, and I just wrote to Suzanne, forever thankful. It's on your side, and it's upside down. And then I dated it for you. You can probably get that off with Big Mama's butter.
Wait, hold on. Let me see it. I just want to get it. This is Brandy's page. We're live on Brandy's page, so I want to.
That is amazing.
It's upside down.
That is amazing. Now, what color is this?
No, I'm using it. So I'm using it for the class. I got it.
Hold on. Sorry. Okay, guys, I was the camera woman on her page. So I'm going to go teach, but that is the surprise from Brandy to Suzanne.